All right, everybody, going to get started here in just a minute. All right, everybody, we'll go ahead and get started. We got 4 things we're opening up today. We got 2 of the mini helmets. Also going to do a autographed jersey and, of course, a full-size helmet as well. As most of you know, these auctions ended the last couple days. First one we're going to do is mini helmet number 20 overall. Looks like those auctions ended on the 13th. Couple new people, couple return guys here. Sleeps with the Fishes there at the top. Pet and Kel. Radbot. Easy Chair Books. Bases Loaded 2012. True 99 cents. Welcome back. Jag 08. Joho, welcome back. Ant's Dad, welcome back. Ronster, welcome back, of course. And Card Trader 81 at the bottom there, welcome. All right, everybody, there's our list for the first one. Let's go ahead and crack it open, see what we get. Those of you who were not with us on the last week's break, full helmet was a grand slam. Got a Dan Marino autographed Dolphins helmet. Doesn't get much better than that. Good luck, everybody. All right, we opened up one of these just a couple breaks ago, I should say. It's going to be an Arizona Cardinals, so it's going to be congrats here to Sleeping with the Fishes there at the top. It's going to be a Dan Deerdorf, Arizona Cardinals. Those of you who follow us every week saw us open this guy. Same helmet. Couple weeks back. Hall of Fame 96 inscription there. Nice clean black autograph on the white helmet. Never go wrong with the Hall of Fame hit there. Good looking item. Congratulations on that. You got the Leaf authenticity card in there. Great looking helmet. Congratulations again. If I'm not mistaken, that is the first win for Sleeping with the Fishes with us. That may actually be your first breaks with us. So congrats on that. We'll grab our second list here. See what's up next. Alright, number 21. Ended on the 14th. Got True 99 cents. Welcome back. Richard Zone 1. Easy Chair Books. Pet and Kel. Halftime 43. Joho. Welcome back. Sleeping with the Fishes in there with the Packers. Welcome back. Radbot. Welcome back. Watts 078. R. McDonald 22. Ozzy 1406. And a bunch of guys, multiple spots. Good luck, everybody. Let's see what we got. All right, got an Indianapolis Colts. True 99 cents. Congrats on that one. Gotta love that it's an easy to read name. Gotta apologize for last time. I got the Paul Hornung helmet again, which both times that we've pulled a Hornung helmet, I could not even remotely figure out who it was while I was live on the air. So, gotta love it when I can figure it out on my own. Hornung was just a little bit before my time. This guy, definitely before my time. Hall of Fame. It's like 76 there, maybe 75. Lenny Moore for the Indianapolis Colts. Great looking helmet. Nice bright blue. Pops on the white helmet with the Colts blue logo there. Got the JSA authentication in the front here. Congrats, True 99 cents. Hit a couple with us so far. Always good to keep winning. Haven't hit much Colts merchandise. Had a couple Frank Gore Colts helmets come through. Congrats on that guy again. And then we'll bust up this jersey here and see what we get. Alright. Jersey ended on the 15th. A lot of the same guys back here. R. McDonald, Pettenkill, CKHADB, Easy Chair Books, TJH Cards, True 99 cents. Welcome back again. The Ticket 1, Joe Ho, Halftime 43, ZLN 5592, Radbot 395. And looks like just multiple spots from a bunch of the usuals. I appreciate it, guys. Let's see what we pull on the jersey. Hopefully not like last month when we opened up 3 straight Steelers jerseys, which was horrible. Sorry, Steelers fans. I'm a Bengals fan. Good luck, everybody. Let's see what we get. See if I can sneak peek here. Looks like we've got a Miami Dolphins helmet, which is going to go to Halftime 43. Congratulations there. Oh, whoa. This is going to be a big one. As you can see on the nameplate there, it says undefeated. You've got the big number 72. This is your undefeated 1972 Dolphins team signed jersey. That is a great hit. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 autographs on that one. Wish I could open it up more, but I won't do that to your jersey there. You can see you got some inscriptions on the bottom of the jersey. Undefeated across the back nameplate. Great looking jersey. You got your Leaf certificate of authenticity there. So congrats again, Halftime 43. Great hit. Great jersey. Can't be mad at that. Everybody's got to be a little jealous on that one. All right. Last up, got the full-size helmet. Run through the sheet here, and then I'll clear out some space because these boxes are enormous. This is the 5th full-size helmet. These auctions ended yesterday. Lots of names back here. True 99 cents. Welcome back. Good luck. Pettenkill, Keatsmo, Racer 140, Craig-O-Matic, Jagnut, Kennedy B, Joe Ho, welcome back. And Radbot, welcome back. Jago 8. True 99 cents again down there at the bottom. This is it. Let's give it a shot, see what we get. adjust the camera here so we can actually see the box. These things are monsters. Had great luck with these so far. DeMarco Murray, Frank Gore, had the Marshall Faulk throwback Rams helmet, the Dan Marino. These have been fantastic. Let's pop it open, see what we get. Do apologize, this plastic right by the microphone, so it's going to be loud. All right. Let's crack our seal here. Good luck, everybody. Not sure how we could top last one, but we'll give it a shot. All right. We have pulled a jersey and a helmet of this guy before. This is going to be a New Orleans Saints helmet, which is going to be Keatsmo. Congratulations, great hit, great helmet. You can see on the cheat sheet at the top here, that is going to be a Willie Roaf. Let's see if I can get this bad boy out of here. Nice clean black signature on the side of the Saints helmet there. It's got his Hall of Fame 2012 inscription on it. Never be mad pulling a Hall of Fame full-size helmet. Great looking helmet. Gold looks great. Logo looks great. Black autograph on there. Nice and clean. Try not to take these out of the box. So, not messing with your stuff. But congratulations again. We'll get this stuff out this week to you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Appreciate you guys hitting up the auctions. We're going to do this again next week. Probably the same breakdown. 2 mini, a jersey, and a full size. And we'll get it going again. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Brought to you by Autographs HQ. And we'll see you guys next time. Thank you.